Fiddle, mandolin, and violin players. If you want to learn what musicians mean when they say the terms major scale, the number system, and intervals, check out this video. Hello, I'm Pete Martin. If you would like to see more videos in this series or other videos of mandolin, fiddle, improvisation, and other music subjects, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you like the video, please click like. Leave any comments below. Because many concepts build on previous videos, if you are new to studying music theory, I suggest you go back and start with video number 1 in this series. There's a PDF file that goes with this video. Find this by going to petemartin.info, click Videos, and scroll down to find music theory for fiddle, mandolin, and violin. Players interested in improvisation should check out 2 series I'm doing. Improv from Scratch is for non-jazz players who want to learn to improvise or want to learn to improve their improvisation. Jazz players should check out the Barry Harris for Jazz Mandolin series. Both work well for fiddle and violin as well as mandolin players. Find these by going to petemartin.info, click Videos, and scroll down. One definition of scale is a fixed collection of notes in ascending or descending pitches. There are several types of scales, such as chromatic, major, minor, hexatonic, pentatonic, diminished, etc. The most common scale, which is the major scale, is the one we will look at in this video. In video number 1, we learned half steps and whole steps, so review that if necessary. The major scale is defined as starting on any note, then ascending by whole step, another whole step, a half step, another whole step, whole step, whole step, and finally a half step. If we use the symbol H to define a half step and W to define a whole step, the major scale formula is as you now see on screen. If we apply this starting on the open G string, we get the notes G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. I play that on both instruments here. The previous major scale I played is called the G major scale because it starts and ends on the note G. Many people have heard the sound of a major scale before. They may even sing the syllables do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This system is called solfege, so look it up if you're interested. This major scale sound is something you need to learn and internalize. I sing it in example 2, listen to the video, and then pause the video and sing it several times. Learn it on your instrument from example 1, as well as be able to sing it yourself. Sorry you're going to have to listen to me sing, but the Golden Pipes of Rich Levine are not available. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. If you find the information in this video useful, I ask that you consider supporting my channel through my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Pete Martin. For about the price of a cup of coffee, or $3 per month, you support the making of videos, instruction articles, and transcriptions for fiddle, mandolin, and improvisation. Thank you for considering this. In addition to knowing the sounds of the notes of a major scale ascending, you need to also know the sound descending. Learn this. I play and sing this in example 3. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. As we learned in video number 1, there are 12 notes in music. We can start on any of these 12 notes and play a major scale. Therefore, there are 12 different major scales. Each major scale will have a unique set of 7 notes. However, they all have this same do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do sound, just starting and ending in different places. In music theory, instead of calling the sounds of the major scale do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, we refer to them by numbers. This is what we call the number system in music theory. The first note in the major scale is called 1. The second note in the major scale is called 2, and so on until we reach 7. Then we start over. I can sing the same pitches I did earlier, but call them by the numbers instead of solfege. I do that here. Learn this, be able to sing it, and internalize this sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My website, petemartin.info, has videos, instruction articles, transcriptions, and information about fiddle and mandolin lessons, plus 13 instruction books I've written for mandolin, fiddle, and improvising, one of which is an introduction to music theory. Feel free to email with any questions and comments. One advantage of using the number system is to describe a musical distance between two notes. The distance from the first note in the major scale to the third note in the major scale is called a third. The distance from the first note in the scale to the fifth note in the major scale is called a fifth. The distance between two notes is called an interval. It is expressed in numbers, such as we just did, like third and fifth. Musicians who know these sounds and these terms use them to communicate with each other. You might hear someone say, that harmony note you need to sing is a third up from the melody. So let's review. A scale is a collection of notes. A major scale is a set of notes in an octave that makes the sound do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. In the number system, we call the first note of the major scale 1, the second note of the major scale 2, and so on up to 7. This locates where that note is in the scale, regardless of what key we're in. An interval is the musical distance between two notes. If you have questions or suggestions, please use the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and click like if you feel so inclined. Also, check out my website and Patreon page, the links to which are on screen. I'm Pete Martin. Thanks for watching.